Hello everyone, welcome to the differential equation course. And I'm very excited because I've been wanting to make a differential equation course by myself. So let's get started. So what are differential equations? Differential equations are mathematical equations that relate a function with its derivatives. They are fundamental in modeling various phenomena in science, engineering, economics, and many other fields, as they are described how quantities change over time or space. So in simpler terms, it's an equation that involves a function and how that function changes, its rate of change. This rate of change are represented by its derivatives. And here's a breakdown of what it means. Let's say if I have a function y equals to function of x, and it describes a relationship between variables. For example, the position of an object over time. And a derivative like dy by dx equals to f prime of x represents the rate at which that function changes with respect to its independent variable. For example, velocity. Velocity is the rate of change of position. So we can write it as velocity is the rate of change of position. Okay? And a differential equation essentially sets up a rule of relationship between the function itself and its rate of change. So there are two types of differential equations, ODE and partial differential equation, or PDE. An ordinary differential equation, ODE, is a differential equation that contains one or more function of only one independent variable and its derivatives with respect to that variable. The term ordinary emphasizes that there's a single independent variable, for example, like dy by dx. Next is partial differential equations. A partial differential equation, PDE, is a differential equation that involves an unknown function or multiple independent variables and its partial derivative with respect to those variables. The term partial refers to the use of partial derivatives. For example, we can write partial u by partial x plus partial u by partial y is equals to 0. This is a partial differential equation. Well, that's it for this introduction, and well, that's it for today's video. And for the next video, I will talk about the key concept, which is order and the degree, like how to determine the order and the degree, and also if the differential equation is linear or non-linear.